To get to sleep faster, try a deep breathing exercise to relax your body and mind. First, inhale for 4 seconds. Then hold your breath for 7 seconds. Finally, exhale for 8 seconds. Repeat this 3 times or until you fall asleep. You can also try doing progressive muscle relaxation to quickly fall asleep. While you're lying in bed, tense one muscle group at a time. Then relax your muscles for a few seconds. Work your way from your head to your toes and back again until you drift off. Another thing you can try is imagining a peaceful setting in your mind, like a beach or a waterfall, since thinking of something peaceful can actually help you fall asleep faster. According to the National Sleep Foundation, you should routinely do something relaxing for 30 minutes before bed, like meditating or reading a book, so it's easier to fall asleep. They also recommend putting away electronics while you're winding down for the night, since the light from screens can make it harder to sleep.